The Zilliqa processor is a powerful DSP box that, when combined with legacy audio algorithms, allow you to fine-tune and control the sound of your speakers in your room. To connect your computer to the processor to perform modifications of the legacy algorithms, you will need a PC or Mac and a USB A/B cable. These are available at most electronics stores. To begin, download the Xconsole software at Zilliqa.com. Click the Downloads button and choose Xconsole. Then choose Software and either Windows or Mac, depending on your computer. Today we are installing Xconsole on a Windows machine. The procedure on a Mac is similar. If you're prompted, select Save File. Once the download is complete, navigate to the zip folder, right-click it, and choose Extract. You can click to select the destination for the source file. Once the file is extracted, you can then double-click the installer and choose Run. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the installation. Connect one end of the USB cable to the processor and the other to your computer. Once the processor is turned on, you can launch the Xconsole program. You will notice that device 1 is connected. By clicking it, we open the device. Here you can see a typical preset for a legacy speaker. The left bank of buttons all represent the inputs, while the right bank represent the outputs. This row here is input 1 to the left speaker, and this row is input 2 to the right speaker. By clicking on the filter, we are opening up the parametric and graphic EQs for the left input. Here you can see it is very easy to make adjustments. A boost at 50 Hz. You can also grab the parametric EQ and move them around while listening to music to hear the results. Presets can be saved and loaded via the Preset button in the lower left-hand corner. Once you've made adjustments, you can click the Save Current Settings to a Preset button. You can then select where you want to save it into the box. Here we'll select preset number 6 and we'll give it a name. Click the Proceed button to save the settings. You'll notice it says Preset Store in progress. We have now saved the settings to the Zilliqa processor. Once your presets are saved and you're done making adjustments, you can close the window and remove the USB cable from the Zilliqa processor.